Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a pre-order in Shopify. So I will show you the easiest and most simple way possible. So to do this, all you are going to do is you are going to move over down to your settings and your Shopify, and you are going to come over the apps and sales channel. And once you do that, obviously you are gonna head yourself over to the Shopify app store. Now once you go to the Shopify app store, obviously again I'm gonna assume that your shop, like, you already know how to use the Shopify app store. So if you do that, obviously you are going to come here and just going to write pre-order. Once you write pre-order, what's gonna happen, it's going to give you tons apps. Now there is many apps that you can choose from. I personally prefer like an app with the most reviews. So pre-order now WOD is the most one with the most reviews. So it's a free plan for 14 days, so you can just get it. So to get it, obviously all you are going to do is you are going to click on add app, and once you click on add app, obviously it's going to give you the pre-order feature, and obviously run their on out, add this app, connect it to your Shopify accordingly, and it's just going to give you the option to install. So once you install it, obviously it's going to start giving you the option to place pre-orders on your store. So just accordingly work with it, integrate, and yeah, that's how it works. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.